Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see about how to make a paper lantern. Now let's start the craft, and this is an example. Now let's start. First get a paper and a scale and then cut the edge off. First start by making a line at the edge so it will be easier. You guys can also follow the steps which I am doing. The same one. We finished cutting the paper and now we are going to make a line in the middle. This time we should not cut it. Now we finished the line and now we are going to fold the paper. And now we are going to make lines and then cut those lines. Now we finished cutting and now we are going to fold them and make the lantern shape. And now we took the tape off. Now we are going to fold them into the lantern shape. Now we are putting the tape on the lantern. We should put one up and one down. We finished putting the up and now we are going to put the down. Now we are cutting the tape again. Now we are going to put the tape on the lantern. Now turn the lantern back and you should put tape there too. Now we are going to put the tape on the lantern. And now take the paper that we cut at the first and then we have to put it on the two tapes. We should connect it on the two tapes. And now we can hold the lantern. And now the only thing left is painting. Now we got the paint and let's use the short form. Choose one paint that you like. I choose the red paint. So I'm going to use the shortcut as I already said. Whoa, that finished the painting so far. Now that's the end of my video. Bye guys, see you guys in the next video. Bye.